Subscribe.
I'm super excited to bring you more Minnie Mouse kitchen appliances. I've done a video with the Minnie Mouse microwave and it was a lot of fun. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. Today we're going to add to the kitchen with the mixer, toaster, and a blender. Let's start with the mixer. How cute is this? You can even try it out before opening it. Here's what the back of the box looks like. I love how pretty and pink it is. Let's get this open. Oh, that bow in the front is really cute. And there's also little bows and hearts on the side. I'm loving this little blender. It's gonna be a great addition to Minnie's kitchen. But let's see if it really works. This blender is pretty small, so the only thing I could think of to mix with is nerds. Let's pour it in. Time for the moment of truth. Okay, it's working. It's definitely mixing up those rainbow nerds. Let's move on to the next item. We have a toaster. This is going to be great for making toast and bagels in the morning. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day after all. Oh, this piece of toast has Minnie Mouse's imprint on it. Let's take a closer look at the toaster. The toast goes right up in here. You press this lever down to start toasting, and then you press this to pop it out. The last item I have is the blender. This is going to make some delicious smoothies. It really spins and everything. Let's get it open. The cap has Minnie Mouse's bow on it. And you start blending by moving this lever back and forth. I love that all these appliances move, but they don't require batteries. Let's try out the blender with some nerds. Uh-oh, we're at a standstill. It's not working. Maybe I put in too many nerds. I'll go pour some out. Okay, let's try this again. Yay! It's working this time! Look at those nerds fly! Why don't we make some soup in the microwave? Now let's make some popcorn. How about a pretzel next? And let's end with something sweet. How about a s'more? Whoa, it's getting a little messy in there. It'll still be delicious though.
What a wonderful smell!
One melty s'more coming right up. Thanks for visiting Minnie Mouse's kitchen, and this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!